10 cleaning tricks that are so easy to implement. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Cleaning your home and environments is something that ought to come naturally to anybody. With all the challenges of germs, dirt, and other toxic substances, it is easy to understand that you need to keep your home clean and free from germs. We are still recovering from the pandemic that struck us last year, and keeping your home clean should be a priority. In fact, we advise that you could take deep cleaning once in a while as a form of exercise to help you keep your mind and body sharp while giving you a chance to lead a fruitful life. So have you been finding it difficult to clean your home and get rid of all the dirt and germs? If yes, then you are in luck because, in this video, we will be discussing some cleaning tricks that are not so difficult to implement and are also proven to be as effective as possible. Good day viewers, we are sending you warm greetings from FastKlean. It is with great pleasure that we present to you today's edition from our channel. We at FastKlean have a YouTube channel dedicated to making sure our subscribers get the best cleaning hacks and tips that will help them stay healthy and lead a happy and fulfilled life. You could be one of those subscribers with the simple click of the subscribe button. Yes, clicking the button will grant you unlimited access to all related videos concerning proven cleaning tricks and hacks. Our Facebook community is also up and running. You can also be a member of that too by going to our Facebook page and clicking the join button. Doing that would guarantee that you have access to every piece of information that comes out of our channel. Since cleaning is something everyone needs to get the hang of, you can always share our informative content with friends and family, and also like our videos to help our YouTube algorithms and let the app select more related content for you. In the comment box below, we will love to receive all your views, thoughts, comments, and any questions you may have relating to this video. Now, what are those cleaning tricks that we have been talking about? In no particular order, they are: Number 1. Using a laundry basket whenever you are cleaning. There are a lot of ways to clean up your home. For someone who has a problem dropping items and clothes all over the house, this may be a simple trick for you to use. When you want to tidy your house, carry your laundry basket from room to room as you tidy, and make sure that everything fits in there. That way, you can keep hold of items instead of holding them in your hands. Number 2. Keep the laundry baskets at strategic positions in the house. One of the reasons people tend to have scattered and disorganized spaces is the inability to keep these baskets at strategic points in your space. For instance, if you live in a house with stairs, putting laundry baskets at the top and bottom of the stairs may be a great way to enforce tidiness. This means that when you are heading for the stairs, you can always open the basket and dump those dirty or untidy items there without having to wait for a weekend or Saturday to do so. Number 3. Use a vacuum on surfaces before wiping. Vacuum cleaners are mostly used to suck up all the dust and dirt on surfaces, but they can only do so much. For effective cleaning, you can start with using vacuum cleaners on the surfaces and then wipe them for extra cleanliness. Number 4. Make use of the brush attachment in your vacuum cleaner. Most people know what a vacuum cleaner is, but not all of them know that the brush attachment in the vacuum cleaner is perfect for brushing the surfaces in your home. Those hard to reach areas can be effectively cleaned with the brush attachment. Number 5. Use vinegar and water for glass cleaning. This is a great way to give your extra glass shine, but there might be another way that you could try, using old newspapers or old clothes to do the cleaning. You can even cut the sponges to clean the window tracks. Number 6. Use removable oven liners for your oven. Instead of always having to clean the floors of your oven, you can use oven liners. You can also use tin foil and ash to clean the insides of your ovens. Baking soda can also be used to get rid of all those residues for the top of stoves and ovens. Number 7. Make use of soapy water and rags to dust those surfaces. You can use vacuum cleaners to clean, but there is no guarantee that they can make surfaces as clean as you want to. Wiping these surfaces ordinarily might not even get the job done. You just might have to make use of mildly soapy water. With a rag and soapy water, you can effectively wipe surfaces to give them that extra shine that you always want. Number 8. Use vinegar-soaked sponges or cloths to clean faucets around your sinks. When residue builds up or if you haven't cleaned your sinks in a long time, this is the best way to go about it. Soak a cloth in vinegar and use it to wipe everything down. Number 9. Use salt and lemon to get rid of stains in your kitchen. Whenever you are done cooking, there might be stains or smells that would be unpleasant. A simple trick is to use salt and lemon. It gets rid of stains and any unpleasant smell. It is simple but very effective. Number 10. Clean your shower while you shower and air out your bed before making it. These two are mostly overlooked because people have not found out how effective it is. While taking a shower, you can always clean the shower to avoid any residue drying up on the surfaces. When you get to your bedroom and want to dress your bed, just try airing the room out before dressing it. You may not notice what it does until you try. In conclusion, there are a lot of other tips and cleaning hacks, but time may not permit us. Subscribe to our channel, and you will get more. Tell us which cleaning hacks you just found out and which you would want us to tell others in the comment box below. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite you to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean, a greener and healthier future.